Hello, everyone! Do you know Pokemon Go? I bet most of you may be familiar with this popular game, and many players are interested in catching different Pokemons by walking. But is it possible to fake GPS in Pokemon Go to catch more Pokemons? Yes! So right now, I will introduce you to an app, Fly GPS for iPhone, to fake location in Pokemon Go. Fly GPS for iPhone is helpful in changing GPS on iOS devices. You can simply set the coordinates and then let the app believe that you are at the place where you are not. In this case, you can fake Pokemon Go locations by only changing your iPhone IP address. Hence, you can catch Pokemons in a new place. However, here are 4 main limitations for this app. 1. This app is called Fly GPS Go. You see, Fly GPS is not free in Apple Store. You have to spend almost $1 to download the app. 2. One of the annoying things associated with the app is the ads. You will get to see a lot of them. 3. Some bugs can be problematic and the performance is not so effective. 4. Lengthy process to set up. Since there are so many disadvantages to Fly GPS for iPhone, is there any better alternative? Yes! iMyFone AnyTo is the best alternative to Fly GPS for iPhone when playing Pokemon Go. This application is free to download, and you can take a free trial to see whether it can change location on your device or not. By the way, there are also no ads or serious bugs. What's more, it only takes you less than 3 minutes to finish faking GPS in Pokemon Go. Now, let's learn how to spoof Pokemon Go location with AnyTo. And remember to close Pokemon Go before completing faking GPS. Step 1. Launch iMyFone AnyTo on your computer. Click the Get Started button. Then connect your device to load the map. Step 2. Select the Teleport mode at the upper right corner. Enter the address or coordinates to get to the place where you want. Or you can simply select a spot on the map. Step 3. Click Move to teleport to your selected location. Done! The location in Pokemon Go has been successfully changed to the new destination. Now you can start the journey of catching more Pokemons in a different place. You see, it's very easy to operate. If you want to get back to your original location, you can restart your iPhone/iPad. Okay, this is today's video. Have you learned how to fake GPS in Pokemon Go? If you still have any questions about location spoofing, please feel free to leave your comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time!